If you build WooCommerce sites for clients, then these 7 plugins can help you earn thousands more in recurring revenue every single month. Now, quick story time. Before Barn2 was known for building plugins, we were first a WordPress agency. Our founders, Katie and Andy, built dozens of client sites. And even though we eventually transitioned into a plugin company, we still maintain client sites to this day, which earn us some easy, basically passive recurring revenue. And in this video, I'm sharing the exact tools that we recommend using to deliver better e-commerce sites, build ongoing relationships, and earn steady monthly income from every client. If you're planning on offering any kind of maintenance plan for your clients, then WP Remote is worth a look. It's not just a plugin. It's more like a whole toolkit for managing multiple WordPress or WooCommerce sites from one place. So for example, it's got daily automatic backups already built in, and if something ever goes wrong, you can just restore it with one click. You can even spin up staging sites without having to mess around with another service. It also keeps an eye on security. Every site gets scanned each day, and if malware pops up, it can clean it up for you automatically, which can save you a lot of awkward phone calls with clients. It also monitors performance, so you can see how fast the site is running and spot any issues before the client even notices. And there's uptime monitoring, so if a site goes down, you will be the first to know. Updates are also really easy. Plugins, themes, WordPress core, it can all be handled from one dashboard. And you can even set to do safe auto updates with a built-in visual check so you don't break anything. And the nice bonus is it quietly keeps track of all the work you're doing. And it turns that into a simple monthly report, which you can hand to your clients so they can see the value in what you're doing. Now, WP Remote isn't the cheapest thing out there, but if you're offering any kind of ongoing maintenance plan, then it will easily pay for itself. Think about it. You're probably already charging a monthly fee to keep client sites updated, secure, and backed up. WP Remote just makes all of that faster and easier, so you can take on more clients without spending more hours. I'd even suggest creating a premium or platinum care plan, which includes daily backups, security monitoring, uptime alerts, performance checks, and a nice monthly report. Those kind of features are much easier to sell when you can easily show your clients what you're doing for them. So instead of something that you were doing in the background, this becomes a prominent feature and something you can upsell your clients into. Right now, Barn2 viewers can save 20% on any WP Remote plans by using our special link in the description below. These are savings that you can either pocket yourself or pass on to your clients. Next up, it's no secret that a lot of clients will be asking to build their stores on Shopify because they believe that Shopify is doing things a lot better than WooCommerce. And it's kind of true that out of the box, Shopify does a lot more than WooCommerce does. But that's where Barn2 as a company has been working hard to fill all of those WooCommerce gaps with a full suite of great plugins that when bundled together can rival the advanced functionality of Shopify. For example, one of the biggest pain points of WooCommerce is not having these intuitive and visual options, like color swashes, image buttons, and other special features like file uploads and pricing calculators. With our product options and live preview plugins, however, you can let shoppers personalize products and choose all kinds of different add-ons, as well as charging extra for things like gift wrapping, engravings, or personalized products like mugs and t-shirts. Another feature largely missing from WooCommerce is good filters. Our product filter plugin is a fully modern filtering experience where customers can choose from things like colors, pricing sliders, category lists, and so on and so forth. You can add them to the side of the page or to the top of the page, and this really modernizes the WooCommerce experience for customers who are just searching for different products. You may have also noticed that it's not so easy to set up discounts and store-wide sales in WooCommerce, and that's where our Discount Manager plugin can be used to fill that gap as well. Discount Manager allows you to set up all kinds of different deals, like buy one, get one free, or save 10% on your entire order. These kinds of more specific deals that are just not possible to set up in WooCommerce by default. Your clients will absolutely love having this functionality, and you can show them how to use the plugin so they can set up all their own discounts themselves. It's really easy to use, and it's a huge upgrade to the normal WooCommerce experience. Then once they've chosen all of their options and added an item to their cart, our Fast Cart plugin can make the entire checkout process much smoother and faster without interrupting the shopping flow. The plugin adds a slick pop-up cart, which you can use to replace the cart and checkout if you want to. Faster checkout often leads to a higher conversion rate, and this is no exception with WooCommerce. As a result, you're no longer offering just the basic WooCommerce experience. Instead, you're providing a modern shopping experience, helping your clients to sell more and justifying your higher build fees. As an agency, you can take advantage of the massive savings that come with our All Access Pass. Then you can price your services to include the cost of the plugins that you're using. If you do this with 5 or more sites, then even a small margin on top of what you spend on the plugins can really bring up your bottom line. I would even consider creating a very specialized WooCommerce package, which is an upgrade to your normal WooCommerce build. Then you can advertise all of those features that I just mentioned, as well as others, and you can justify charging more for those kinds of WooCommerce builds. Now, moving on to my last suggestion, if you're running care plans or retainers, as we discussed in the first part of this video, there's another way that you can upgrade these packages with 2 different plugins that we'll take a look at. First up, site speed is one of the main things that clients notice and complain about. So that's why I'd suggest WP Rocket. It makes it really easy to fix all of these speed-related issues. There's no technical setup, no weird settings, and you can just install it on your sites and they'll get faster right away. It handles all the major things like caching and preloading, lazy loading images, removing unused CSS, and deferring JavaScript. You'll usually see a nice boost in page speed scores and core web vitals, and you don't need to be a developer to get them there. As part of your ongoing care plans, this is one of the easiest and most obvious ways to add value to your client sites. Now, finally, I want to talk about conversion tracking. So as you know, website design is important, but clients really are more interested in whether the website's actually doing anything for them, whether it's actually making sales, and so on and so forth. The Conversion Bridge tool makes that easy to show. You can track form submissions, purchases, button clicks, and pretty much anything without messing with scripts or tag managers. It also works with WooCommerce and Shortcart, forms like WS Form, Gravity Forms, or WP Forms, and page builders like Bricks and Beaver Builder. You can even embed simple dashboards right in the WordPress admin or connect platforms like GA4, Fathom, and Perch. The best part is that only about 14% of agencies actually offer this as a service. So it's a great way to stand out and offer additional billable services that your clients will love. Now, I'll admit this is by no means an exhaustive list, but I hope it inspires you to offer more than just normal website builds, but rather build systems and ongoing processes that improve your client's site value while also improving your bottom line. Let me know what plugin stack your agency is using. I'd love to see it in the comments down below. Click here to get all 19 of Barn2's plugins for just one low price, or watch this video next to see the 7 best product designer plugins on the market. And of course, thanks for watching.